In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add structured data, also known as schema, in WordPress. Now, if you're wondering why this is important, let me explain. Structured data helps search engines better understand the content of your website, which can enhance your site's visibility and potentially improve your search rankings. Plus, it can make your content more engaging by enabling rich snippets in search results, such as ratings, prices, or dates. So, let's dive in and get started. First up, we need to install a plugin. Head over to the Plugins section of your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New, and in the search bar, type in Schema and Structured Data for WP and AMP, or Schema Pro. These plugins are specifically designed to add schema to your WordPress site efficiently. Once you find the plugin you prefer, click Install Now, and don't forget to activate it after installation. These plugins offer a user-friendly experience, even if it's your first time dealing with structured data. After installing the plugin, it's time to set up some rules. These tools are powerful because they allow you to automatically apply schema to specific post types, pages, or categories without manually coding anything. For example, if you run a blog, you can set a rule that applies article schema to each of your blog posts. Simply navigate to the settings of the plugin and explore the options available for creating these rules. Similarly, if you have an online store using WooCommerce, you might want to apply product schema to all your product pages. This not only saves time, but ensures consistency across your site. Now that you've set up your rules, the crucial next step is to validate your schema. This ensures everything is correctly formatted and free of errors, as mistakes can hinder how effectively search engines can process your data. Most dedicated schema plugins come equipped with a built-in validation tool. Make use of this feature by checking your schema setup. Navigate back to the plugin section and look for the validation tool in its settings. Follow the tool's instructions to run a check. The plugin will then alert you to any issues, allowing you to fix them promptly. Keeping your schema error-free is vital for maintaining a healthy site that search engines can easily recognize and use to its full potential. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add structured data to your WordPress site using a plugin. Just remember to choose a reputable plugin, set up your rules thoughtfully, and validate your schema to keep everything running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make your website more visible and engaging. If you found this useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy optimizing!